Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am here with a video response to Audrey, who is Sewgoodall'S on YouTube and Instagram, and she is doing a challenge called Work With It Wednesday, and it's always on the last Wednesday of the month, and I will put the information in the box below because y'all know I don't never write nothing down. Well, a friend of mine, well, a lady that I work with, she bought me this Hunckydory card making collection for Christmas, and I've not used it. I pulled it out because it really has some pretty projects in it, and I pulled it out. It's been laying on my desk forever, and I have decided that I want to use this. And it comes with this magazine, so it's got a lot of different projects that you can use, and I am going to work with this particular part of it. It is called Black and Gold. So that's what I'm going to be working with, and I am going to make cards. And I just wanted to show this before I started cutting. See that box there? I really want to do that also, so that's going to be one. And they've got just all kinds of goodies in here and different projects, so you can make any of them. And I'm going to hold on to this magazine because these are projects you can use doing different, you know, with different materials. So I am, like I said, I'm going to be working with the perfume bottle, and they've got several different designers that did different projects, so I am going to pick mine and I'll be back with that. But I'm just going to show you some of the papers. It came with this die, which is a perfume bottle, and it came with this stamp set, and it also came with an embossing folder, so I will be using that. And then it came with, this is a very thick cardstock. It's very thick, so I just think they are so cute, so I am definitely going to be. And then it's got like that one. And then it has these cut aparts. So cute, so cute. And it has all of this one with the Eiffel Tower. Sorry about the glare. And then it has this part here. And then, so there are 4 of those, and it has this one. So yeah, I am definitely going to be, and then it has just a thinner paper. And then it has that one. So I am really excited. And then it has that one. And then it has that. And it has this, which would make me crazy. So it's actually a striped paper, but it's like moving in my viewfinder. And so then we have this, which is that heavier cardstock. And we have this. So you can make a lot of projects from this kit, and I am going to be working on that. And this is a thinner paper, so they're kind of all mixed up together. Thinner. And if you notice on this thinner paper, the images are pale, more pale. And then that's the thinner one. And these, I think, were used for matting. And then there is another one. But then you have those same images, and on the thicker cardstock, they are more bright. So guys, these are, I'm going to be working with this, and I think you're going to be seeing this for quite a while because there is a lot to this kit. So I am going to get to work. I will also be using this gold foil from Michaels. and I'll be back, guys. I just wanted to show what I would be using before I cut anything, and I shall be back. Hello, Audrey. I am back. Hi, Audrey. This is going to be the end of my video. As I said in the earlier clips, I am using the Hunckydory card making collection, and what I decided once I started pulling stuff out, it's got so many projects, so many designers and different designers using the same items, and so I decided to use where is it, the Paris in Spring design, and I made a card similar to this but different. And I used all of these cut aparts and stuff were on the same sheet. I used up the whole sheet, and I only had a couple pieces left, some borders and a couple tags. So this was what was left of that sheet. All of it came off of here. So as you can see, all of that is gone, and it made some really nice cards, y'all. So I made actually 4 cards. And I used the paper, some of the paper. I still have some scraps left that I definitely plan to use. But let me show you. So I did birthday cards. And so this is card number 1. Excuse the glare of my silver. I used Michael's silver mirror cardstock for my base because, you know, that's what it called for. Because each card thing had, each designer gave directions on how they made their cards, and I kind of made the cards my own. They are not, only one is really similar to what they did. So this is the first one, and I'm gonna mat the inside, and I just didn't do that. I thought I did. So, but that is my first card. The bling that I used is some that I got out the Michael's dollar bin years and years ago. As you can see, it's finally dwindling down. And this is from, it don't even say, but I have had this stuff. It actually came out when the dollar bin was the dollar bin. So anyway, this is my first card. I will be matting the inside and stamping my stamp on the outside. That is the first one. And it just says, to a special friend. So it's like a birthday, and inside it'll probably say happy birthday. And then I have this one, and it just, this is another base. This card was 5 by 7, okay, and this card is an A2, and it just says, may the best things in life be yours today and always. And it's just got the Parisian girl and the Eiffel Tower, and she's been shopping. That same bling, because of all the silver, I decided I would keep using that. And this is a happy birthday die that I bought at Amazon, and it came with 2 different dies that go in 2 different directions. I really like it. It cuts really well. So that is my card number 2. Once again, I will be matting the inside. And then this one is that same girl, but she's going in a different direction, and it says happy birthday, and that same bling. And then the inside is did like that. That's a piece of the border that I used. And then this paper is Basil. This pink cardstock is from Basil. So yeah. So that is card number 3. And then this one is very similar to one that was in the book. And I started to do it exactly the same, but it called for a 7 by 7 card. And I ended up doing a 6 by 6 card. So this was a 7-inch square card blank, and I don't have a 7-inch square because this is UK based numbers. I had to make adjustments. So this is what my card looks like. Very similar, and this is a pocket, but I just decided that that was just going to be a better look. So that is my outside, and it is a top fold, and that's the inside. So there you go. those are my cards. See, and if I could still stick something in there, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use these for something else. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Audrey, I know that I am late to the party, and I just did not want to miss showing you some support for your Work With It Wednesday. And this is my first time participating, but I did just want to show you some support. And yeah, hope you like them, and I will be uploading this very soon, and I hope to be able to participate in your next one. Bye now. Guys, if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe. Bye.